Hey gang, Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair. Want to invite you to come take a look at a fun project that we've got going on. And I actually say fun with a lot of sarcasm. So I've got a Nissan, I believe this one's a Maxima here in the shop. And it's got an alternator issue. So I want to show you, we've got several different issues going on, but you can see it's been really hot. And it's just has a lot of damage there. But sometimes one of the questions that we get here in the shop is, why is it so expensive? The new alternator is up there, okay? The tire actually has to come off. There's a lot of different pieces that actually have to come off just to be able to get to it. On this particular vehicle, we actually had to drain or recover the refrigerant out of the air conditioner system. The AC compressor has to come off. The alternator has to come out the bottom right here. And then all that stuff has to be put back together. The air conditioner has to be recharged. Everything has to be done. So that's why you choose people like us, people that are professionals, people that are good at their job, people that have the equipment to handle this type of repair. And that's what we got going on with this one.